In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use edit points and connectors in Microsoft Word. When working with diagrams, flowcharts, or custom graphics in Microsoft Word, it's important to have precise control over your shapes and how they connect. Two powerful tools that can help you achieve clean and professional designs are edit points and connectors. Once you understand how these features work, you'll be able to customize shapes and link them together with much greater accuracy. To get started, open Microsoft Word and insert a shape into your document. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, click on Shapes, and choose any shape you would like to use. After selecting a shape, click and drag anywhere on your page to draw it. Make sure the shape is selected before moving on, because you'll need it active to modify its structure. To reshape your object, right-click directly on the shape and choose Edit Points from the menu. You will immediately notice small black points appearing around the edges of the shape. These are adjustable nodes that define the outline. Click and drag any of these points to change the angles or curves. If the shape contains curved segments, you may also see small handles extending from certain points. Dragging these handles allows you to refine the curve's direction and smoothness, giving you detailed control over the design. If you need even more flexibility, right-click on any existing point. From there, you can add a new point to create more detail or delete a point to simplify the outline. Adding points is helpful when designing custom arrows, banners, or irregular figures, while removing extra points can make your shape cleaner and easier to manage. Now let's focus on connectors. Connectors are specialized lines designed to link shapes together while staying attached, even if the shapes are moved later. To insert one, return to the Insert tab, click Shapes again, and scroll down to the Lines section. Choose a connector style, such as a straight, elbow, or curved connector. Click on the first shape where you want the line to begin. As you hover over it, small connection dots will appear. Click on one of those points, then drag the connector to another shape and attach it to one of its connection points. When properly connected, the line will snap into place. The key benefit of connectors is that they automatically adjust when you reposition shapes. This makes them ideal for flowcharts and structured diagrams. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.